Now, it's gonna be a two-part video. One, this is a generic PlayStation 3 controller. Now, some people really buy the generic PlayStation 3 controller. However, yeah, for all of the people who do, I'm gonna try and fix this for you, show you. Fix this and show you. Next, this is the original PlayStation 3 controller. Now it have some little issues. Oh, first of all, I'm gonna tell you this have some issues with these buttons. Have a big problem with not working. You understand? So you can't select the game or anything. This one now it just start malfunction. You just do it own thing when it ready. Maybe somehow have the same problem, but sometimes the controller start do it own thing. Alright, I'm show you a fix for that too. But first, I'm gonna start off with the generic PlayStation 3 controller. Alright. This is how it stay. This is the inside. Like, you can see somebody already do some work on this. I don't know if this is going to fix. It depends on what the person going to do. I don't know if them mash up something else or what so it can go on. This is it. This is how it looks inside. You have the main board. Excuse me. And you have the ribbon to control all of the functions like the X, the O, triangle, and square, and the D-pad, start button, all of that. Now, if this will be a simple fix. My problem with them is this rubber. These rubber can get dirty or them burst. The money alright for now. The money them burst. This is basically something the X and O. X and O button. You understand? Sometimes them dirty, sometimes we do just wash them off and them work. However, you have other times when basically this is a keyboard and the problem. Sometimes you can clean them off and work. Sometimes you have some little break in the wiring right here. So I don't know, I have to check it out. So I'm going to clean the button them. Can be a next case again in which this never plug in. This section is supposed to plug into the motherboard, right? Like this. Now it can be a case in which the person who pulled it up before never push it in properly. So I'm gonna try that too. And see if I got the problem. First, before I go ahead, before I wash out the button and all of that. Alright. I have a system turn. Oh, control. Let me see if I get anything. No, it's telling me I have a PlayStation on the next side, so you might not see it, but me, even if you can't hear it, even if you can't hear it, but if you press something, it's supposed to react, and it's not reacting basically. So, I see me can find one of these keyboards. If I can find any, I'll change it and show you. If I can't find any, basically that's it. Just 1 minute. I'm going to pause the video for a while and come back. Yeah, that's stand still with this because now the keyboard fits. So I'm going to put a pause right here so after this. Yes, because I'm done showing you some of the problems that can cause the control and the work. Especially if your D-pad not pressing, the X or button not press. Sometimes, as we said before, the rubber can want, you can want, just use some soap and water and wash it off. Gently wash it off because sometimes these little sections can pop out, so you don't really want that. No. We still have to try to see if we can find any to fix it, but basically this is the problem. So the keyboard here is the problem. So that's it for that for now.